get it going.
Go.
Ready, Professor?
Timer's ready?
I am going. Hello, everyone. My name is Andrew Phillips. I'm a junior analyst with SAS Capital Management. Today, I will be presenting to you VSTO Outdoor. A little bit about VSTO Outdoor, 2.2 billion market cap. They focus on mainly ammunition, hunting, outdoor sports, and all sorts of accessories in between. So the upside potential I have for VSTO Outdoor is $60 a share. And I get to that from the ammunition margins as well as some of the outdoor products that benefited from COVID. The downside is, well, you'll see. So a lesson from history, right? How many of you think COVID was lucky for businesses? Show of hands, real quick. Yeah, well, some it was lucky, some it was unlucky. But as you can see with VSTO, it was a bit of both. Over the last 4 years, VSTO has been struggling with its inventory management, with its reputation, as well as a lot of the products that it had. But COVID allowed it to get rid of its inventory that wasn't selling. Hence, you see that nice little V. So let's move into that. The NICS is a background check on firearms in the United States. It's what they often use to measure demand for firearms and then the demand for ammunition in the market. And when it goes down, it's perceived in guidance that the ammunition demand is going to go down. And the ammunition is one of the key segments for VSTO's revenue and earnings, as you will come to see. The other thing that happened in 2018 that led to that was this ban. Essentially, these lobbying groups said, VSTO's a terrible company. They sell guns and they make guns. Don't buy their other products. And that hurt their inventory. They held on to stock that they couldn't get rid of. And so even putting it on sale, retailers wouldn't hold it. All that contributing to negative earnings per share. Yes, revenue was fine, but its net income was sinking. And that resulted in the decline. 90%. You could have bought this share at the low of COVID for $5. So, out of these four segments, let's say outdoor, action, hunting, ammo, which one do you think is highest? Well, regardless, if you answered ammo, you were right. It makes up 58% of last quarter's revenue. And if you look at it from the two segments, shooting and outdoor sports, 73%, which ammo is tucked into there, represents the revenue of the last quarter. 80% of its gross margin is from ammunition and hunting, primarily from ammo. If you look at the spread between the gross profits, it's actually increasing because of COVID. That's due to the fact they can get rid of their inventory at full price sales, and they've actually increased the ammunition price 6 times in the last 18 months. All of that to say, ammo, being the blue, has skyrocketed, not only in revenue, but in what they can sell it for. There's an ammo shortage in the US, and it's not going away. I can attest to that. Called plenty of places. So feeding into my DCF scenario analysis, where do I get that upside to $65? If ammo prices continue to rise and ammunition supply does not satisfy demand, we're just going to keep seeing prices increase. But, and this is the caveat for the downside, if we see that the ammo prices in the retail market start to decline, that's going to hit them right in the net income and earnings per share line. Originally, pre-COVID, it was about 5% gross margin on ammo. Now it's 26%. If that declines, you're going to see that $195 million in EBIT decline sharply. And that's going to result in terrible guidance, which will drive the share price down. So, my long position, if the price continues to go up in ammunition for retail, I expect the share to post higher revenue, higher earnings per share. And so I expect the share price to go up. One of the things that Smith & Wesson reported in their earnings the other day was that they're going to cut their gun production by 27%. Well, that drove the share price down 10%. There's your buying opportunity. We buy it and go long for the next 5 to 6 months. Then, when we see the retail prices of ammo start to decline, we turn around, sell it, and we short it. And there, I have a question for you all. VSTO Outdoor, will history repeat itself? Well, you can bet on it. You can bet on it by tracking ammo prices in the retail markets. Thank you very much.